Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a property investment opportunity. This exceptional rental income property boasts a remarkable configuration of 4 bedrooms, 3 kitchens, and 3 bathrooms, with space for a fourth bath. It provides the owner with endless possibilities for maximizing your rental returns. Situated in a desirable location in Greater Portmore, known as West Queens Park, this property offers a blend of space for either a large family with the versatility and convenience to make an income. Separated into 3 self-contained units: spacious 1 bedroom, 1 bath, spacious studio and extended bathroom, and 2 bedrooms, 1 bath with a potential second bath on the upper floor. Whether you have a large family with needs of privacy, looking to supplement mortgage payments, or in the market for a multi-unit investment property, this could be yours. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 25 million or US $162,400. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.